Good day everyone, you are speaking to Ntabise Mokwebo and you're welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing a variety of plants that can be planted on the aquaponics system. The first one that we're going to discuss is lettuce. Lettuce grows particularly well in aquaponics owing to the optimal nutrient concentration in the water. Many varieties can be grown in aquaponics, but four main types are included here. Crisp head lettuce, which many people call it an iceberg lettuce, which has tight head with crispy leaves, ideal for cooler conditions. Butter leaf lettuce, which show leaves that are loosely piled one on another and have no bitter taste. Romania lettuce, which has upright and tight folded leaves that are slow to bold and are sweet in taste. And loose leaf lettuce, which comes on a variety of colors and shapes with no head and can be directly sown on media bed and harvested by picking single leaves without collecting the whole plant. Lettuce is a high demand and have a high volume in urban and peri-urban zone, which makes it a very suitable crop for large-scale commercial production. Lettuce requires a pH scale level of 6.0 to 7.8. Plant spacing should be 18 to 30 centimeter. You can plant 20 to 25 heads or plants per square meter. Germination time and temperature: 3 to 7 days at a temperature of 13 to 21 degrees Celsius. Growth time: 24 to 32 days, longer for some varieties. Temperature: 15 to 22 degrees Celsius, flowering over 24 degrees Celsius. Light exposure: full sun, light shaded in warm temperature. Plant height and width: 20 to 30 centimeter, 25 to 35 centimeter. Recommended aquaponics method: media bed, deep water cultivation, and nutrients filling technique unit. Cucumber and lettuce goes like this. So if you are growing lettuce, make sure that cucumber is also there. Cucumber, along with other members including zucchini, squash, and melons, are excellent high volume summer vegetables. They are ideal plants to grow in media bed unit as they have a large root structure. They are ideal plant to grow in media bed as they have a large root structure. Cucumber can also be grown on floating rafts, although in grow pipe they should be risk of clotting owing to excessive root growth. Cucumber require large adequate of nitrogen and potassium. Thus, the choice for the number of plants should take into account the nutrients available in the water and the fish stocking biomass. Cucumber requires a pH scale level of 5.5 to 6.5. Plant spacing 30 to 60 centimeter, depending on variety. You can plant 2 to 5 plants per square meter. Germination time and temperature 3 to 7 days at 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Growth time 55 to 65 days. Temperature 20 to 28 degrees Celsius at night. Sorry about that. 20 to 28 degrees Celsius at day, and at night the temperature should be 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Light exposure, full sun. Plant height and width 20 to 200 centimeter or 20 to 80 centimeter. Recommended aquaponics method, media bed or deep water cultivation. Eggplant, which is my favorite. I love this vegetable, especially on breakfast. Eggplant is a summer fruity vegetable that grows well in media bed. Owing to the deep growth of the root system, plant can produce 10 to 15 fruits for a total yield of 3 to 7 kg. Eggplant have a high nitrogen and potassium requirements, which includes the need for careful management choice in the number of plants to grow in each aquaponic unit in order to avoid nutrient imbalance. The pH scale level that is required to grow an eggplant is 5.5 to 7.0. Plant spacing should be 40 to 60 centimeter. You can plant 3 to 5 plants per square meter. Germination time and temperature 8 to 10 days at a temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Growth time 90 to 120 days. Temperature 15 to 18 degrees Celsius at night, 20 to 26 degrees Celsius at day. Light exposure, full sun. Plant height and width 60 to 120 centimeter or 60 to 80 centimeter. Recommended aquaponics method, media bed. Pepper. There are many varieties of pepper, all variety in colors and degrees of spice. Yet from the sweet bell pepper to the hot chili pepper, which is jalapeno, and cayenne pepper, they can all be grown with aquaponics. Pepper are more suitable for the media bed method, but they might also grow in 11 centimeter diameter of nutrient film technique or nutrient film technique pipes if given extra physical support. The pH scale that is needed to grow peppers is 5.5 to 6.5. Plant spacing 30 to 60 centimeter. You can plant 3 to 4 plants per square meter. Germination time and temperature 8 to 12 days at a temperature of 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. Growth time 60 to 95 days. Temperature 14 to 16 degrees Celsius at night, and at day is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Light exposure, full sun. plant height and width 30 to 90 degrees Celsius or 30 to 80 centimeters. Sorry about that, it's not degrees Celsius, it's centimeter. 30 to 90 centimeter. Recommended aquaponic method, media bed.